Oh, I don't want to get copyrighted for fucking sound or anything. Right, there's the catlet on the bed, right in front of my fucking face. And then we got 1, 2, and there's 2 other cats somewhere in this fucking house, but at the minute, and 1 other staffy. So we got 3 staffies altogether and 3 cats. And we've got 1 cat here, look at him with his fucking claws out. Oh. And then we got this little fucker right here, little Bobo. Oh, you just Bobo. Oh, look at that. Oh, I know, you got your eyes. Oh. Guinea pig up there as well, mind by. And then look at this little tartlet. Oh. But there he is. Tink tink. Oh, there we go. There's the 3rd dog. Checking everything out. It's like, what the fuck's going on? See, look. No one's attacking no one. It's all harmony. Kumbaya, innit, eh? Look at you, still purring away. Can you hear that? Tink, tink. What are you doing?